ọmụwa Chukwu ka dibịa ana na mmiri na-ekwu agwaghị na ike niile dị n'aka Chukwu okike onye kere eluigwe kee ụwa si na mmiri enwere ilo. My people, do not be deceived. All power about to Yahweh ego Chukwu ka dibịa ike niile dị n'ụwa dị na mmiri duru enu ana dịrị aka Chineke. I do bow for me. My kingdom bow for me. All court bow for me. Because the power of Yahweh is in me. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Yeshua. Now, do not make a mistake. I saw when Jeremiah, Omoto Fofemi, give money to the little boy. Reason why I'm here, because of one that people to the call Igbo religion. Let me tell you, Marnie water is not Igbo religion. Marine Kingdom is not Igbo religion. And Marine Kingdom is not the owner of the water. Water belongs to the Yahweh Most High. So do not be deceived. Do not let anyone to butter you. This is Atlantic Ocean man here saying this thing. There's no power is powerless, both Marnie water is powerless. I have killed over 200 and something thousand people. I have delivered many people from Marine Kingdoms. Let me tell you, anyone that go to sacrifice anything in Marine Kingdom to please the gods, later that spirit will come back first. They became more. Even a man that got 200 guys in what to provoke spiritual husband and spiritual wife. If you don't have authority of the Most High, they already giving them permission to come back with force. Check anybody how to travel room. Check anybody where they go do water something. You will continue doing that sacrifice. Any day it's not doing that sacrifice, that problem will become worst. So I'm here to warn you, Igbo, because everybody if I go wound, do not let too much forget Dibia to deceive you. Do not let too much forget someone to deceive you. I am the prophet David the Yahweh who destroyed power of Oki. The man who destroyed power of Mary. I fought war with Mary. I rejected freedom from occultic kingdom and marine kingdoms. Mary is also marine kingdom. Marine kingdom is not here, it's in the second heaven. Know that. These are foreign angels. What I have been before the creation of foreign angels. When angel Michael and the devil fought, contested in heaven. When they contested in heaven, this water have the higher force on the earth. You can see. The story is water that have higher force on the earth. So I'm here to speak this word. That this water belongs to Yahweh. This is the Red Sea. This is the Red Sea that Moses divided. I'm here to pass you over for you to take over from every power of darkness. The same way the children of Israel cross over and they take over, they enter the promised land. Today, we are the Israel, the Igbo Jews, Yahweh, Erohi, Chukwu Kadibia, Chukwu Igbo get the Chukwu Kadibia. The same way Prophet David Yahweh, Chukwu Kadibia. When you see the case of the cause of Igbo.